Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Instacart Shopper, quick fix step by step clearly. Open the Instacart Shopper app on your device. Sign in with your account credentials or create a new account if you haven't already. Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard displaying your current orders. Tap on the Start Shopping button to begin fulfilling an order. Select the order you want to work on from the list. Review the customer's shopping list carefully. Note any special instructions provided by the customer. Begin by locating the first item on the list in the store. Use the barcode scanner feature for quick identification of products. If the item is not available, communicate with the customer through the app. Choose a suitable replacement or mark the item as unavailable based on their preferences. Continue down the list, checking off each item as you find it. Make sure to take a clear photo of any substitutions for the customer. Once all items are collected, head to the checkout area of the store. Review the items in your cart to ensure accuracy. Complete the purchase by following the checkout process in the app. After checkout, navigate to the delivery or pickup section. Follow the app's navigation to deliver the groceries to the customer. Upon arrival, confirm the delivery by following the prompts in the app. Make sure to leave the items in a secure and designated spot as instructed by the customer. Complete the order in the app and provide a brief summary of the experience. Check for any feedback from the customer after delivery. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.